Hey guys, welcome back. I'm doing a quick video tonight on my 5 and 6 inch soft swim baits. So stuff like Magdrafts, CullShads, Final Copies, Mulletrons, Shadtrons. Um, so just to show you what I've got and my thoughts on them. So the first ones we'll start off with, I'm going to start off with the Berkeley CullShads. And the first one we've got in the 6 inch CullShad is the albino. So this is the albino in the Berkeley CullShad. Has a treble hook here on the bottom that just fits in. It's got a little keeper there, um, and very similar to the Magdraft. So we've got albino. This one here is called Sight Flash. Got that little glitter on the bottom. The next one is one that I really like. This is called HD Blue Shad. So you can see this one here is really cool. Then we've got Ghost Shad, another really nice color. That's really pretty. These are really nice colors. This one here we've got Gizzard Shad, real original looking, very nice. And the last one I've got is Ghost Morning Dawn. Got a little bit of purple in there, some gold and green on the bottom. It's really cool. These back of these have these the way they're cut out, and give the bait some really nice action. So those are the Berkeley CullShads. Now I have last year at ICAST, Strike King released a 5 inch version called the Final Copy. Very similar. Also have the treble hook that goes goes in the bottom. There's a little, you can feel it. There's a little magnet right there that keeps it in there. This one's called Carolina Chrome. The second one I have is called Ghost Shad. Shad pattern color, very natural looking color. And the last one, this one's called Sugar Daddy. Why it's not called Gold Perch or something like that is beyond me, but it's actually called Sugar Daddy. And then you can see you could actually rig these two different ways. You can rig them right there on the top, or you could rig them right here. I've fished these a little bit this year, and I got to be honest, didn't have any success with them and didn't really like them. I do like the Berkeley. The 6 inch Berkeley is really nice. All right, now let's move on to some other stuff here. Let's see what else we got here. All right, so in this box here, I've got some Shadtrons and Mulletrons. So, for example, here is some Mulletrons. I've got two here, same color, in the moss back color. Really nice. They have these wedge tails, and these are Elastec, so they stretch. Very good wear and tear on these. These are line through, so this is a top line through, and you can see the hook comes out, and it's just a line through the top. And then what else do I have? What color is this? This is called Bayou Tiger. It's a purple top with a green chartreuse on the bottom. Next one I've got is called Midnight Express. Really cool, purple black with some flake in it. And the last one I've got is called Gold Rush. This is a black on top with the gold and then orange on the bottom, which is really nice. Now we have some Shadtrons. Very similar bait, just a thicker profile. You could actually attach a treble hook to the bottom here. You can come through the bottom if you want with these, but these are also aligned through the top. As you can see, there's a slit there in the top. These are really nice. I like these a lot. This particular color is called Sight Flash. Next one I have here, this color is called a Chartreuse Shad. That's got that green and silver. What's that? Like a greenish black on the top. Really cool. And the last one I have is called a glimmer shad. This is really nice. So you can see where you can come through the bottom right here. I don't know if you can see that. And then you can put a treble here. A treble hook will sit here in the bottom. So you can rig this both ways. All right, those are those. And then the stars of the show, obviously, is a lot of these companies, really try to mimic. This is probably the most popular one. This is the 6-inch Magdraft, and these are fantastic. They are pricey and are hard to find. So when you get a chance to get them, I would recommend you buy them. This particular color is called Wakasagi. It's like a green with the really like silver flake in there, and the green top. The next one here, this is purple and green. This is called Borealis Shad. It's a really nice color. Third one, this is probably the most popular color. This is probably the one that gets fished the most and catches the most fish. This is albino shad. Then I've got this color here, which is really nice. This is like a green with a silver with a hint of chartreuse there. This is called Ayu. And then the last one, which is a really cool color, I use this a lot in salt water. This is called MSS. It's blue and chartreuse and green. Really cool color there. So those are the 6-inch Magdrafts. And last ones I got are the 5-inch Magdrafts, which are obviously 5 inches. And they got some different colors. This is called Pink Shiner. That's cool. Did you see that? Like the hint, the green in there and the chartreuse up against the light. Check that out. This one's called Pink Shiner. Second one I've got, this is the Gilco color. Kind of like a bluegill. It's blue and purple and the green stripes and green on the back. Really nice. Third one I got, this is called Albet. If you can see that. Pretty cool. Green on the top. This one here, it's like a blue and silver. This is called Celeste. That's a really cool color. When you put it up against the light, you can see it, how that looks there. This is chartreuse back. Obviously, this is chartreuse color with clear on the bottom with the silver flake in there. Really nice. And then the last one I have is the albino pearl shad. So this has like a pearl color in it here. Very similar to the albino one, but it's in pearl. And these obviously reattach. You can see the magnet there. And one thing I'll tell you about these, what I found about the 5-inch, obviously they don't sink as fast. And I don't know if you can see that right there. I got a little tungsten nail weight in there that I put in the bottom. You can put that in all of these and just get it to sink a little faster. So I found that I've had some better luck with that. And obviously with any of these 5-inch, you can't burn them as fast as you can the 6-inch. So just be aware of that. You can fish these a little slower in shallow water, and they're really effective. So those are my 5 and 6-inch soft swim baits. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please like and subscribe, and leave some comments, and let me know what else you'd like to see. Thanks. Bye-bye.